So this is our density unit. We began talking about dry ice and we did a comparison of food labels to get the mass and volume of food. We then looked at pipes and blocks and water to get the density. We found an article about some topic that interests us. We looked at the mass of and volume of floating and sinking objects to know it was find out the density if it's equal to 1 with it, or greater or less than 1, it floats or sinks. We did some visuals, some things around what density is visually. We reminded ourselves about mass and volume. We did a few sim labs on that. We reminded us how to figure out the mass and volume of a variety of objects, and we looked at gold and thought about how to do that with gold. We did a lab practical. We then practiced a bunch of simple problems, blocks and dots per box. We did a submarine lab and a Cartesian diver lab where we looked at how floating and sinking is impacted by mass and volume. We looked at the fact that liquids float on other liquids, which is the density lab. We did a homework on that where we calculated density of liquids and put them up there. We spent some time looking at a sim that we could modify the blocks, and we then took a test on that. We had a test review. It was very similar, another practice set of problems there, and that was the end of the unit. So that's what our pages look like for this unit.